If you think you know what Manila looks like, think again. Right next to each other in the heart of the metro sit two neighborhoods that feel like entirely different worlds. Today, we're comparing the ultra futuristic BGC with the leafy, laid back vibe of Makati. Let's go. First up, Bonifacio Global City or BGC. Walking around here at night, you'd be forgiven for thinking you've stepped into Singapore. It's clean, it's highly pedestrianized, and those infamous overhead power lines you see all over Manila, completely buried underground. BGC is a manicured bubble of modern luxury. You've got high-end shopping, outdoor dining hubs like High Street, and even a row of pristine luxury car dealerships from Porsche to Lamborghini. It's safe, vibrant, and incredibly easy to navigate on foot, but for some, this perfect corporate layout can still feel just a little too sterile. To find a bit more character, we cross over to Makati. Now, Makati is the country's financial powerhouse, but it does something incredible. It integrates nature directly into the urban sprawl. Places like Greenbelt prove that a shopping mall doesn't have to be a concrete box. Here, you're walking through lush, tropical gardens, past quiet ponds, and right up to the beautiful Greenbelt Chapel. It's a peaceful oasis right in the middle of a massive metropolis. Walkability here is top tier, thanks to a network of elevated walkways that let you explore the district without ever having to battle the traffic below. But Makati has a secret. Just a short walk from the polished malls lies Poblacion. By day, it's a quiet heritage area. By night, it explodes into a neon-drenched retro playground. Places like the iconic filling station diner bring this incredible quirky energy to the streets with vintage memorabilia, bright lights and raw unfiltered character.
Got a play area for kids as well.
So which Manila is your vibe? The polished future-forward streets of BGC or the leafy charm and neo-soul of Makati? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for the next adventure.